Hey guys, what's up? So as you can see, the turbo has been installed. The brand new turbo. There you go. As you can see, squeaky clean, fresh, brand new. I just got to put the rest of the car back together. It's still taken apart, as you can see. But yeah, that's just a little update on the car. All right. So that's what it looks like. All right, anyways, I'll keep you guys updated some more. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Peace. Hey guys, what's up? So we got the turbo installed now. We're gonna turn on the car, see how the car reacts, make sure everything's good.
Ready?